Like, should I focus on like knowing the math formulas? I like
no.
Or like making sure I can take it straight.
I mean, I don't want to say that I don't want to say that you should know math, but I'm trying to make it more intuitive and more example based. And actually, that's why I know this is a really bad excuse, but that's why there are errors with like these tables. I always think in terms of math. So like these problems, I just kind of breeze through it and I screw it up. But the midterm was more like this.
Because like I personally like the first draft of the midterm better than this third draft.
Yeah. No, the problems I added are harder than you will possibly receive.
Great.
I don't want to tell you not to study, but I'm just saying.
Oh,
that, like,
are you kidding me?
No, but what I mean is I'm just saying that like I put them on there because they give me something to do here that's meaty. Because like the problem with like the first 8 problems, like I would probably, if I was going to give you one of these short questions, I would give you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to work on it. It's going to take me about 15 seconds.
The number 6 though, the coin flip one.
Yeah.
Because the second one ends up being a fair coin again. Like I don't know. I think I screwed up some math somewhere. So.
I'll go through it. I hope I'm right. Yeah, I think I got it right.
It just wasn't as straightforward as the one in class.
Yes, it's a little bit trickier, and I would say that while that wouldn't be unfair, probably a little tricky. To be honest, it's really an interview question that people like these stupid.
No, everyone's like, so you've done machine learning? That sounds great. I'm like, yeah, I don't know anything about it. It's fantastic.
All right, I'm gonna get started, and if people want to that's life, especially since the first problem. Oh, by no means, I mentioned pizza before. When I do a nighttime one, I will get you guys pizza. I know.
Was that we're no longer getting pizza?
No, you are, not now though.
So apparently we're gonna have a final and a review for the final.
No. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is either next week. So before I miss in Goa, before you get the midterm, I have one makeup class I owe you. I'm going to 02, but I will owe one right now. I'm counting this as the one for Go. I'll get you pizza then, because it doesn't make sense.
Who's going to be the type?
Yeah.
Don't use
What's the choice? I know. Zeke's is like,
well,
Seattle has 6. Really? Seattle has shitty pizza.
Yeah,
Seattle has really shitty pizza.
Wait, we're dividing between Zeke's and Pagliacci's?
Zeke's.
Let's discuss this when we get closer.
Or what about
Sopranos is hands down the best.
What about
I've heard
Tudela?
that before. You're the second guy that told me Sopranos is good.
That's outside.
All right. Okay, so let's go, I guess.
That could be an extra credit question. Who has the best pizza in Seattle, in SLU, or that delivers to SLU?
Be like, can we just go to Boston?
Yeah, Boston is better pizza. Boston's not the best.
No, but it's better.
Wait. Okay, I'm not going to pull down the screen for every case. And I'll, okay. So I fixed the typo. You noticed?
Oh, yeah.
That was an L.
I was wondering what L was.
Yeah. What I just cut and pasted from something else, and it's or from the 4th assignment, and there was an L there. But then I realized you guys did MFN already, so I didn't want to just change notation. So you've seen it by now, though. So if we define our function to be w dot x greater than or equal to theta, and w equals, if we just do it in column form. But what I mean is r to the, oh no, not r. 1 to the n. Not even be here. Then A is just theta equals m. B is theta equals 1. And C is theta equals n. Am I right? Sure.
I don't quite understand the definition.
Oh, what the definition is?
Or like what is, I don't know what it wants to do.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a good question. I didn't know that. I thought at some point I mentioned. So disjunction is just an OR function over the entire case, and conjunction is just the AND function over the entire case. So all it means is a disjunction is just a one of n, and a conjunction is an n of n.
In this situation, right? I guess I don't know how you're arriving at theta equals 1 and theta equals n.
Am I wrong?
Well,
You could be
conjunction
right.
is everything has to be on, maybe?
Yeah. So conjunction is everything has to be,
And then a disjunction is
just
one thing
anything
has
has to be. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. I guess.
Write down.
But then we want these m things to be one.
Yeah. So for the m of n function,
Yeah.
that's what this is. Right?
Yeah, at least one has to be
Believe,
At
no,
least
m of the
M
n has to be, right? So that's just this.
And then for this, yeah.
For a disjunction, all this is that one literal has to be positive.
Yes.
And a conjunction is all literals have to be positive.
That's all it be.
Okay. Wow. No, that's bad, but I never told you this. So if that's on the midterm, you can ask that question. I try to avoid midterm questions, but that's it.
Yeah, most things may not be entirely.
I know, I didn't
what,
say
what the output's supposed to be like. It is just we're just writing theta equal to m. I'm thinking of a linear threshold function as writing the linear function.
Yeah,
itself.
like
So I'm
x,
thinking that's
you
the
know,
output. And
x
the conjunction
one,
I'm
x
thinking is writing
two.
all of the conjunction.
No, but, okay.
I think we run out the linear threshold function rather than just theta equal to m. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe that's not what we're. So I'm just saying there's a disparity between, it says write down a linear threshold function, linear threshold
Oh.
function, like what we had, so it's actually not, so there'd be theta and the w and the x and the sign.
Right, so I can do signum also here, if it makes people feel better, but it looks the same.
It's all gonna be one for the
Well, signum would just be w dot x minus theta,
Yeah,
yeah.
right?
what we had in the homework.
On the homework, whatever.
So that's what we were thinking was writing down, so we just wanna make sure.
So a
that's-
linear function, what I guess, okay, so how I could have written this better is I'll write down a linear threshold function, write your answer in terms of w and theta, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Good point. Yeah. Okay. All right. Second question. Huh? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, well, the thing is, each one of our disjunctions is 3. We just haven't shown.
Yeah. So in the case of a disjunction, I mean, it could be that there's multiple. It's just at least one.